Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, is uMusa trying to tell us something indirectly when he said to Mabiela, this thing of you becoming an wife number one, becoming mom cool, whereas there was another woman that came before you, is going to create problems in your marriage. It's not going to make you stay emshadweni kahle. Is it trying to say something? Because along the conversation with uMphumelelo, he does say ukuthi history is repeating itself. So is he saying that uMatsele abahlalanga kahle ngenxa kaMayeni because he made uMatsele wife number one, whereas uMayeni came first? Umabiela also questioned, guys, and I think it's a very fair question. She asked if uMphumelelo had intentions of making uTerelo wife number one. Why did he start by taking out Inobolo for her? Why didn't he just start with uTerelo? And guys, I feel like it's such a fair question because Nyambela, why would you go and, other people's family? You're not even done galobonango amahle. You guys haven't even done things the traditional way in terms of exchanging of gifts and whatnot. So you're gonna come and shoboloza a family, and then chigi you're gonna go and want to pay lobola for another woman. Aye, guys, that's not fair. One thing about Tamasha, she might seem shy, you guys. She might seem sweet, but one thing she is not going to allow is to allow people to walk over her. Guys, did you see that text message that uTerelo sent? Ulokhuzana sent uAmahle. uTerelo stela sendana nama paragraph kuma girlfriend kaMphumelelo, busy telling uAmahle ukuthi hey, uMphumelelo, he doesn't take care of himself. I'm just like, Terelo, my babe, I need to wear now. You know how to take amapilisi to protect yourself because uMphumelelo, he sleeps around. uAmahle knows how to do the same thing. So now why are you discouraging uAmahle from dating uMphumelelo just because you no longer with him? No, my babe. uAmahle ke wamphendula kahle uTerelo, because Terelo's busy saying ukuthi no, please speak to uMphumelelo ukuthi ondla ingane. Just because he broke up with me, it doesn't mean he broke up with my child. Kanti uMphumelelo banjani? Breaking up with a mother means you're breaking up with a child. Hayi ke uAmahle goes on to say ukuthi hayibo, are you not the one who said ukuthi this akuyona igroup yakhe lento? Who am I? Who am I to speak on such matters? And Gambela, guys, I was just like, shame. Utirelo, you see the way she was behaving towards Uvuyo, guys. uAmahle is doing the same thing to uTerelo. Because now Terelo is the one fighting for positions, and uTerelo was laughing at Uvuyo, guys. But at least with uTerelo, she is now fighting for positions unknown. Her family is not coming from wherever they're coming from. Baze emzumbe to come and fight indaba or to find out indaba yama positions. If family kaTerelo ayizingeni, and I love that for them. Which means maybe there is still a hope for uTerelo, for her family to save her out of Lomsangano as Fagebu. uTerelo, the previous season, she was nonchalant, busy acting as if she didn't care. Now, guys, itafula izinto zijikile nguAmahle, who's nonchalant. But all I'm gonna say, Amahle, my babe, all of them start like that. They start up ingati abanandaba, they're nonchalant. Amahle, you're going to be in the same position, my babe. So you know what? All the best. But I also want to know, why is Amahle saying ukuthi she can't tolerate uTerelo? uAmahle has only been dating uMphumelelo for 5 months. So yini le engaga that uTerelo did for uAmahle to be saying she can't tolerate uTerelo? Because even in that message that uTerelo sent to Amahle, uTerelo, at least she apologized, even if bekathunywe uMphumelelo according to Amahle. But I'm just like, Amahle, hey Kelly, go back and watch previous seasons. Don't allow uMphumelelo to make you fight with uTerelo, any other woman for that matter. If you're gonna choose to be in this relationship, just kondanendo tayako, because it's a waste of time. You're gonna just make yourself ipopai by fighting other women. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.